So this season, the H&M Beauty look is all about how to wear easy colour on your eyes. I'll show you how to do that look today. For an all-over lustrous complexion, I like to mix a little bit of the highlighter with the foundation. This gives the skin a really lovely glow. I like to finish the skin just by contouring and a little bit of highlighter, just to sculpt the face and add a bit of definition. So let's get those eyebrows looking lovely and healthy with a bit of pencil, and then brush them up. The hero product for this look is this blue metallic pencil, which is awesome because it just adds the little pop of colour to the eye that we wanted. So you just sweep it across the top of the eyelid and under the eye, getting as close to the lash line as you can. So I'm just going to add a little bit of nude just to finish this look and make it feel really polished.
Yeah, I like the eyes. Wow.
High five.
Yes.